My research is focused on augmented reality in human-robot collaboration. So my research is focused on the method to design the human-robot collaboration. Currently, I'm looking at manufacturing tasks, but it can be extended in any other fields in industry like construction, agriculture, etc. My industry partner, B&R Enclosure, they are the biggest enclosure producer in Australia, and I work with them and looking at specific tasks in their factories to identify the tasks can be designed for future human and robot work together to solve some problems. I went to B&R, went to their factory and collect data from the factory floors. So I just use camera to capture what they are doing every day and then analyze the videos to help me to get more information. And I also did some interviews with their employees. So they are very happy to share what they are understanding of robots, what about their task every day.